misinformation spreads much faster and more easily than other kinds of, better sourced information.
They spread like wildfire online, COVID-19 conspiracies and myths. And as we enter what could be the most important time in the fight against COVID-19, scientists, researchers, and healthcare providers team up to tackle misinformation on social media. A quick Google search of vaccine microchip and you will see many articles debunking the myth that Bill Gates is trying to control you or alter your DNA with the COVID-19 vaccine. But these aren't necessarily the articles shared on social media.
Social media is unique in that it really invites this sort of quick response. It's a frenetic space. It doesn't really invite reflection. So it plays to all of our cognitive biases, confirmation bias. It plays to, our negativity bias. It plays to the availability bias, that idea that just seeing something over and over makes it seem more real.
Tim Caulfield is well known for taking on the wellness industry's invalid claims, and he is one of many taking on the fight to spread proper science to the masses with Science Up First.
We thought it was important to tackle this now, especially since the vaccine is rolling out and there's so much misinformation, so many conspiracy theories attached to the vaccine that battling misinformation seems more important now than ever.
In a recent poll, only 48% of Albertans said they would get the vaccine, while 20% were a hard no. Also part of the movement, Anthony Morgan. He says fear and uncertainty can be reasons why people believe in these myths.
I can count on my fingers the number of times I've changed somebody's mind by calling them, a dummy who doesn't know anything. It's, demonstrably ineffective. What does seem to be effective is stepping into curiosity and empathy and trying to understand how people came to understand or think the way that they do. And often that process will help them to kind of identify gaps in logic that they might have without feeling attacked.
Science Up First is a collective of science-based organizations and people like Morgan and Caulfield who hope you will see their content soon and often.
There is good research that we need to, really flood all the platforms with science-informed content, content that is shareable, content that is credible. And if you do that, believe it or not, the evidence says you can make a difference.
You can find more information at scienceupfirst.com. In Calgary, Tara Overholt, City News.